The roads, schools, hospitals and homes that our rapidly growing communities rely on can't be built without cement, concrete and aggregate products. Concrete is the lifeblood of sustainable building. It can be used almost anywhere. It's natural, affordable, flexible and enduring. The building of great cities and communities relies on the effective supply of our products to diverse markets, and central to the task are the 30,000 people directly employed in the heavy construction materials industry. As our communities grow, the ongoing supply of these essential construction materials will become even more critical, and sourcing challenges do arise. Some may think it's as simple as turning on a tap, but the production and delivery processes are complex and involve far more people and planning than meets the eye. Let's take a look inside a typical operation. In March 2019, Tasmanian MP Sarah Courtney visited Boral Launceston's Mowbray quarry and Invermay concrete plant on a pit-to-pour tour to see firsthand how concrete is made and delivered to a residential site, and to meet some of the amazing teams involved in the integrated supply chain. To ensure every infrastructure dollar counts, this supply chain of critical construction materials, cement, concrete, stone and sand, must be efficient and responsive to demand.
Well, today with the pit-to-pour experience, I've seen how integrated this industry is with so much of the community in terms of both the quarry site, then in terms of the production, and then here on a building site, seeing how many people are employed and how much work goes into producing a slab like we're seeing poured here today.
The day began early, extracting rock at Mowbray Quarry. A site like this employs approximately 20 people. Quarries need good planning protection and efficient approvals processes to respond to demand by society for their products. All quarries are rehabilitated progressively or when quarrying work is finished. After the rocks are excavated and hauled from the pit to the crusher, they are broken down into various grades of smaller rocks. Once an order is made, the materials are loaded onto a truck and weighed before being delivered safely to the batch plant, ready to be incorporated into the concrete order. The concrete batch plant is where all the elements come together. Concrete is actually made up of a mixture of sand, water, cement and aggregates. Concrete batches are tested in the laboratory, guaranteeing that the quality of the concrete meets strict Australian standards. What most people don't know is that each concrete order is unique, specific and perishable. Agitated trucks mix the concrete on the way to the site, and the order needs to be delivered within 90 minutes before the concrete starts to harden. So good transport routes with minimal congestion are critical to minimising the impact on communities and the environment. On this particular site, the team are utilising a pump to efficiently pour the concrete into the formwork. A large team is needed as they have to work quickly to place the concrete in the forms, compact it and produce a smooth, level surface before it starts to harden.
I'm really keen to ensure that we've got confidence in the industry, because we know that it's business that creates the jobs, and so we want to see more apprentices and young people engaged in building and construction and resources. And so if confident businesses have a pathway for their future, then they'll invest and they'll employ young Tasmanians, and that's what we all want to see.
So when you think of the process as a whole, there are many considerations and complexities that go into a delivery, and a lot more people needed to make the process seamless and successful. Concrete is the world's most popular construction material, so it's no wonder that the heavy construction materials industry employs so many Australians to keep up with increasing demand. Efficiency in the supply chain ensures that infrastructure is affordable.
So today has been a great day, and it's been also a wonderful experience to meet the people in the industry, because when we look at a construction site such as this, or think of concrete or cement, we sometimes forget that all this is about people. So whether it's an operator at the mine site or someone here laying the slab, it's an industry that's predicated on having great people, and it's great to see so many businesses now in Tasmania taking such a strong focus on workplace safety, and that's a clear focus for a lot of businesses, and we've seen that today, and I think that bodes well for the future.